we're here with Bella again, and we're going to show you how to do a cute ponytail that has a little twist to it. We're going to take her hair in sections, and we're going to take right above her ear, we're going to leave this section of hair out. And same with this side. So we're going to leave 2 sections of hair out, and we're going to start by just doing a low pony. And her hair already has a little bit of texture spray in it to give it some holds. And I'm going to take a hair bungee, and they look like this, and they're the best ever for ponytails because they make it so easy. And all you do is hook it right here, and then you wrap it around like this, and you just keep wrapping it to however tight you want the ponytail to be, and then you hook it again, and it just stays so perfect. And then you're just going to just kind of pull the hair out. Like if you want to make it a little looser, you just kind of pull out whatever pieces you want to make it a little messier. And then I'm going to take this section of hair, and I'm just going to twist it around, and I'm going to just put it right over that ponytail holder, and then I'm going to just wrap it around. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin. And usually I buy the bungees at Sephora or online, and they're really cheap. You can buy them in a big pack. And then I'm gonna take this one, and I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna leave a little bang piece out. But I'm just gonna take it and twist it like so. And I'm just going to wrap it around. And then I'm going to take the piece from the other side, and I'm just going to take a clear elastic. And I'm just going to wait for your assistant to hand you one. And then I am going to just have Isabella hold this pony at the top. I'm going to take this rubber band, and I'm just going to rubber band these 2 pieces together, just so it holds it really tight. Okay. And then I'm gonna wrap that piece back around again, and then bobby pin. And I'm just gonna bobby pin that piece under, and then just kind of loosen these up a little. And there you have the beachy pony.